We're back in Torquay, one of our favourite seaside spots here in the UK. And this time we're trying somewhere completely new. It's the brand new Hotel Indigo and it's recently opened and it looks pretty incredible online. But is it actually as good as it looks? Well, let's go in and let's find out. So just behind the door then, where we came in, just there, it comes in and then you've got your drinks area. So you've got a coffee pod machine, you've got your coffee pods just there, nice selection. You get your complimentary water, you've got some hot chocolate, coffees and teas, and your little kettle just there. A little bottle opener as well, nice little touch. And then if we just come back there, you can see you've got the wardrobe there. Space to hang a few things. If there's a couple of you here just for 2 or 3 nights, there's probably ample space just there. You've got your ironing board, you've got some shelves to put some of your clothes on, some nice slippers, always a nice touch, and then you've got your iron, your little pot there to fill up the iron with the water, always handy instead of spilling it from the tap or down the iron. Then what looks like a hairdryer just there, and then you've got some, looks like possibly bathrobes, bathrobe gowns in that bag there, so that's great. And then you've also got that full-length mirror on the inside of the bedroom door just there. Also got some storage cupboards and drawers, just empty space to put your clothes and things in. And then on the right hand side you've got a fridge, and inside then you've got some wine glasses, that's good. And then you've got some Coke and milk and some orange and I think apple or elderflower by the looks of it. A couple of bags of crisps and chocolates. So we'll have a look on the TV later to see if that's actually free or if it's a chargeable. Either way, it's nice to have access to it in the room if you want it. This room does come with air conditioning, currently set to 18 degrees. We have got a balcony in this room though. We'll show you the fantastic view from that in a moment. And then as you come round, it opens up to the bedroom. Now check out the colour scheme here, I think it's pretty good. This is pretty much a brand new hotel, opened, well, probably autumn time last year. It's currently getting towards the end of March 2026, and this place opened I think about October, November time 2025. So this is like the first proper season for them in Torquay. It's pretty much on the border to Paynton. It's only a few minutes down the road, and Torquay is the actual place where it is. But it is probably about a 15-20 minute walk to the harbour in Torquay from this hotel. But I think some of the advantages here far outweigh it. So pretty good. Quick look round then, you've got your desk just there, sockets there for your hairdryer, laptop if you want to do some work. Love the mirror, it's all like wavy, sort of sea themed by the looks of it. It's all pretty good. Some nice pictures on the wall there to decorate the place. Place for your bags just there. And then the bed looks like it's possibly a super king size, looks very comfy. We'll let you know in the morning how that is. But yeah, all designed really nice. Check out the old phone. Yeah, it's a new phone, but the design of it is an old phone. It's not rotary dial, but it's designed like one. You press those buttons. Also at the side of your bed then you've got your electric sockets, you've got USB, and you've got the smaller, more modern version of the USB as well. So that's good as well. And then just here you've got your reading lights. Pop those out and the light comes on, you can angle them. So that's all really good. Well designed and thought through room. You've got your 2 drawers each side of the bed. Let's have a quick look this side. There's also a socket just down there on the right. And yeah, pretty much the same on this side. No USBs on this side, just your sockets. But yeah, still not bad at all. You can always plug things in on the other side. And at the end of the bed then, you've got your little media wall and the TV just there. Yeah, all finished really well. Room service wise, I can see a menu over there, but you do scan a QR code on the TV, the lady said when we was checking in earlier. So this is your breakfast in bed. You can order, we've included the breakfast in the room rate, but you can select what you'd like and hang this on your bedroom door outside before 2 in the morning, and they'll deliver your breakfast to your room. So that's probably what we'll do tomorrow, because okay, the weather's not that warm, it's only about 15 today, but it's still good for this time of year for the UK. Move the net curtains. Check out what we've got here. We've got the balcony, a couple of chairs and a table, and that view. So let's go out, let's have a quick look. So yeah, decent sized balcony. It's quite windy at the moment, but check out the view. They've got a little terrace down there for like the bar area. It's all in the shade this time of day. It's about 4 o'clock-ish. We get the sun this way. We're probably going to get a nice sunset from over there first thing in the morning. So we'll see if we can capture the sunset from up early enough tomorrow. But yeah, you can't fault the actual views from here. A lot of the rooms look this way as well, but there's only, I think, 3 or 4 rooms with a balcony. So we've paid extra for one for the balcony. You can imagine in the summer it's going to be really, really good, but check out that view. So you've got Torquay over there in the distance, and then Paignton is, you can't see it from here, it's the other side of the hotel, but like I say, it's about a 5-minute walk from here. You get to the start of Paignton, where you can jump in a car and go. But yeah, Torquay. So we'll have a quick look round the hotel as well. It's the Hotel Indigo by IHG here in Torquay. So that is the balcony. And we'll see if we can see what the food's like today as well. We're going to order some food. Got a complimentary drink when we checked in, so we'll go and have that as well in a moment. And also show you a little bit around Torquay and Paignton perhaps. So one part we nearly forgot to show you was the bathroom. How could we forget to show you the bathroom? So here we go. The bathroom is just here. And just take a look at it. Pretty impressive. This, like I said, is a brand new hotel, give or take 2 or 3 months. But all done really, really well. Nice to have a modern new hotel in Torquay. And there's a lot of traditional ones, but it's nice to have some modern ones as well. So yeah, but you've got twin sink units there. You've got some drawers underneath to put your things in. All done really well, as you'd expect with a brand new hotel. You've got your little mirror just there, a nice big mirror there, hello. Then you've got your drinking glasses just there, some tissues and some sanitary bags. Little radiator, and the towels are in the other room, I believe, somewhere. And then here you have your, if I show you the floor bit, look, you've got your walk-in shower just there, no step into it whatsoever. So if you've got any mobility aids or anything like that, or difficulty walking, then you're fine getting into this shower, which is really good. So you've got a nice big shower head just there, and then you've got the one with the attachment just there. And your controls, I like it when it's like this, your controls are on the right as soon as you go in. So you can turn it on, get it up to the right temperature. None of this reaching through to turn it on and get you getting wet with cold water. And then you've got your products just there. So you've got your body wash, you've got shampoo and conditioner. So all finished really, really well. Got your toilet just down there. You know what a toilet looks like. And yeah, so that is the bathroom. And towards the end, we'll tell you how much we paid. We paid a bit more because it's got a room with a balcony. But just so you know, entry-level rooms here, which are all brand new like this, start from £74 a night at the time of booking this one. So we are out of season, it's March, just before Easter. But you can get a room similar to this without a balcony, a bit smaller, but same sort of thing from £74, which I think is really good value for rooms of this quality. So looking around the hotel then, on the ground floor you've got the main reception, and you've also got the Root and Reef bistro, so that's where you can get some food, and the bars there as well. Up on the top floor, on the 4th floor, they've got the Cast Rooftop, and that's a nice restaurant and bar. Was closed at the time when we were there, but it was just about to start opening, I believe, for weekends. And then you've also got the gym up there, and there's someone in there, so we couldn't actually film in there. As part of the IHG rewards program, we received a complimentary drinks voucher on check-in, so we had to go downstairs and obviously make use of that, and we got some complimentary popcorn to make us more thirsty and want to buy more drink. Also, as you can see, the restaurant and bar area is really, really nice. They've got a really nice terrace outside. It was in the shade though at the time of day that we was there, and it was only about 15 degrees out, so we gave that a miss. But we can imagine it's going to be absolutely stunning out there on a nice summer's day. And they also have some blankets that just by the door that you can put over your legs if you want to sit out when it's not quite so warm. So yeah, really love this space down here at Hotel Indigo in Torquay. So we just had our order delivered from room service, and I went for the beef burger, and then you also get fries with it as well. You get your knife and fork all nicely wrapped up, and these little mini, I don't know if you see them there, these little mini salt and peppers, how cute are those? And then you also get the 2 little jars of tomato ketchup, And yeah, all looks really, really good. So we're going to tuck into that now. Well, good morning, it's the next day. Had a fantastic sleep, just about 7 hours, which is really good for me. And check out what's out here, up in the sky. Yep, the sun is out. And we got the sunrise coming up over there in the distance. Absolutely stunning. A bit chilly this morning, but as you can see, beautiful start to the day. And the temperatures are supposed to be getting up to the mid-teens today, late March here in Paynton. So we've just had breakfast to the room delivered, and thought I'd show you what you actually get. You've ticked quite a few boxes, to be honest, to show you what you get. But so the main breakfast then, you've got your bacon, you've got your hash brown. I went for the scrambled egg, just there. You get beans in a little pot. Not everyone likes the bean juice on their breakfasts, so they've kept it separate. Got like a little, not sure what that is there, potato or something, sausage, and tucked away at the back you got the mushroom, and you've got a tomato. We've got a glass of orange juice. I chose a banana for the fruit. Pot of coffee. You've got some jam, or I think, is it jam? Yeah, strawberry jam, and some butter. Got the milk just there. Over here we've got some granola cereal, and then we've got the other part of it that goes with it by the looks of it. So it's, yeah, I'm not sure what that is exactly, cherry or something like that. Selection of pastries and 2 slices of toast, and yeah, all presented really well. And that is the breakfast. We'll let you know later what I actually thought of it. It looks very nice. I'm going to tuck into it now. Well, that breakfast was absolutely fantastic. Can't fault it. Probably ordered a little bit too much stuff, but I wanted to show you the sort of things that you get included with the breakfast here. So what do we think to Hotel Indigo in Torquay in Devon? Absolutely fantastic, can't fault it. It's great the fact it's a brand new hotel. The bathroom is really good. The shower this morning, nice to get a decent amount of water coming through a hotel shower. And the temperature was absolutely fine. Really, really good. Could have stayed in there all day, to be honest. So highlights of the hotel then, for when you're comparing it to other hotels in Torquay. It's modern, it's really good standards, probably a bit of a boutique sort of feel to it. It's got a nice downstairs bar. There's also a terrace outside as well. Starting from tonight, the day we're checking out, the rooftop bar is open at weekends on Friday and Saturdays, so we've missed that one. But they've got a rooftop bar. It's a little bit chilly in the evenings, but they do have blankets in baskets that you can put on your lap if you wanted to. And also in the summer, it's going to be absolutely fantastic with those views. For me, the best part of this room, obviously we went for the one with the balcony outside, is that view. Obviously all the others with sea-facing views have got the same view, but it's nice to be able to open the doors, get fresh air in, but also go and sit out there and just watch the world go by in the sea. It's absolutely fantastic views. If I was to try and pick a downside, we always try and look at the positives and the negatives. It's not overly a negative, but if you want to walk to Torquay, it's about a 15 to 20 minute walk to where the harbour is. It's not too bad, to be honest, if you want to go for a walk, but if you don't like walking too far, then that is one of the negatives. But you can always get a taxi or drive down there. There's car parks down there anyway. And talking of car parks, this hotel has got a basement car park. You just drive in. The height on it, if you've got a big car, we've got a Defender with roof bars on, so we can't always get in underground car parks or multi-stories. Here it's about 7 foot, whereas an average car park's probably around about the 6 foot mark. So yeah, apparently it's 7 foot. Do give them a call and check there. I don't want you squashing your car on your way in. And it's £15 a night to park here. So how much did we pay then to stay here? We paid, I think it's about £186. That includes the £15 parking. And that was for the sea view room with a balcony. They've only got, I think, it's 3 rooms with balconies, so quite often, especially in the summer, they're probably going to be sold out, so book early. I will put a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest room rates, and also we'll put a QR code on the screen, so if you're watching it on the TV, you can just get your phone out, scan it, and it will take you to the latest prices. Let us know in the comments what you think to this hotel and also to the wider Torquay and Paynton areas. hope you enjoyed the video. Do give it a thumbs up if you've made it this far, and let us know in the comments, like I say, what you think, and if you've got any other hotels in the area that you recommend or that you think we should go and try elsewhere. We'll see you next time.